Man, why is the flash on? There you go. Turn that thing off. So, what's going on with the gimbal? So, this is a prop that I got last year. I'm in the middle of setting up my haunt. Like, it's, as of recording this, it's October 30th, so I haven't done that little live stream yet, but you guys probably haven't. It's just me from a couple days ago, so. This is a prop I got last year, like when stores were closing, like Spirit Halloween stores were closing, and everything went on sale and all that. So I wouldn't be surprised if this thing was missing pieces. Anyways, let's open up this thing up. Okay. There's the Gravestone. Now he's just a ghoul. What the... What the heck? Okay, I don't know if that's intentional or not. There's this other arm. Okay, this has to be intentional. No way they did that 2 times in a row on accident. Alright, what else we got in here? You know what, this is probably faster. There, see what I say? That was faster. I've never seen an adapter that looks like this before. Okay, that is kind of creepy though. I don't know what to make it say. I'm just gonna, I don't know what to make it say. Hold on, wait. Let me see if I can rage bait 2 people at once. Wait, let me see. High voltage fenced-in zombies should not come back. And Trick or Treat Pete is the best prop. There we go. Okay, everything's laid out as it should be. Let's get started. Okay, step 1 says to do this. Do this. Wait, is the base backwards? Hold up. Oh, it is definitely backwards. Hang on. And let me turn that thing around. There. Wait, did I have it right the first time? There, something like that. I had no physical choice. Okay, step 2 is to put the clothes on there. Okay, well, let me just try and get this bag open. And just, okay. Man, what? Okay, you can't see it, but this literally looks like a scarecrow outfit when held with 2 hands. Okay, now how do I like? Okay, let's get it. Oh yeah, don't worry, I got it. All right. Oh no, you can't see it. Yeah. There, something like that. That looks like those inflatable guys you see that are always like doing that. Okay, step 3 is to do this. And not only that, but attach this, yeah, but which way though? Oh, I see. Wait, what the? Okay. I don't think it matters which way it's facing, so. Now let's attach this thingy. Attach the thingy. The thingy. Ow. Okay, step 4 is to attach this. So step 4 says to add this. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add this. There we go. And not only that, but it also says to attach a wire. So I know I saw a wire, or am I just? Okay, what the heck is this? Is this the sensor right here? Is that what this is? Okay, cool. I don't know if there was a wire in here or not. Oh yeah. There's that wire I was talking about. All right, just gotta attach it. There. I can't, it doesn't, oh, there we go. There we go. Now, yeah, while I'm setting this up, I've never seen this prop in action, so this is gonna be new to me. Okay, step 5. Okay, step 5 is just talking about plugging in the adapter. I pretty much do that last, but oh well, whatever. We can like plug that in and then like plug in the other end to the adapter into an outlet like at the end. So like I can just do this for now and then wait till the end to set up this this thingy here. Okay. Yeah, just gonna undo this twisty tie. I gotta undo this other twisty tie. Give me a second. Should have been like a time-lapse video, but oh well. Alright. There. Now where does the adapter plug in? Right here, I think. Yeah, right there. See that? Actually, I don't know if you saw that. Right here. Right here. Right here, okay? Jeez. Hold up, before I forget. Let me like attach the Velcro to the sensor here. Nope, that's not what I want to do. There you go. Attach it like that. And then, oh yeah, by the way, this is the next step. Okay, you see, this is why I do the adapter last. Doesn't, there you go, did that, and if there's like any like little pieces of like the Velcro on the Velcro, you just want to go like tear that off and then put that on there. Anyways, what do I do now? Let me consult the instructions real quick. Oh, I see you want me to put in the left arm. I can do that. I think this is the left arm. Right here. Yeah. These things, okay, yeah. The thing about these things is that it's hard to keep these in, so like, I wouldn't be surprised if like a Spirit Halloween had this set up and like his arms looked skinnier than usual, like skinny as mine. So let me just see? I know y'all are probably in the comments saying, scream. I know y'all are in the comments screaming at me saying, hey, do this, it's a lot easier. There. Okay, that's one arm in. Now I gotta get the other one in there. Okay, the arms are in. What's next? Oh, you gotta put it in the head. Okay, I'll put the head on. There's the head. You wanna like slide this down. There. So it's locked in there. There you go. Next step, pretty simple. Just add the tombstone. Right here. Right here. Here. And I guess the next step is pretty obvious because like there's these little holes here and you want to put the hands. There you go. He's holding onto the tombstone. And I guess, does this mean it's complete? What's all of this mean? Sensor, plug. Oh. You want me to plug in more wires here? You want me to make sure all 3 of these are plugged in? Okay, fine. I'll go check to see if all 3 of those are plugged in. Yeah, you know what? This thing wasn't plugged in. Now it kind of is. Actually, you know what? Because yeah, it'd be easier to do with 2 hands. You know, let me do that with 2 hands. There you go. Right there. There you go. See? Now, and yep, that's 3 wires. I'm seeing 3 wires that are connected. Now what? You want me to close them up and then put the stakes on them and then waterproof cap? Okay, so I guess he's pretty much completely set up now. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is probably the quickest animatronic I've set up. All that's we have to do is to plug it in. Let's go do that. Plug it in. There you go, it's plugged in. Where is it? Oh, is there like a, oh, I thought the thing was lighting up. Is there like a switch? Okay, yeah, I have to turn on the flash, yeah. Okay, on, I don't know what, on, oh, I think that means like, just have it going like Lucky Bottoms, but I think I'm gonna put it to the sensor. Okay, work now? Work now? Or did I not plug it in right? Or did the outlet that I plug into don't... Let's just go ahead and mute that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, get it going again. And let me go and adjust the volume to a volume that isn't ear rape. So let me just... Okay, that's good. That's loud enough. Go again. Go again. I don't know what's going on with your hair, but go again. I said go again, man. Why you not go again, man? What's wrong with you? Maybe this thing has cooldown. Yeah, there you go. First time seeing this thing in action. All right. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the demo of this thing and then I'm gonna wrap this video up. And there's the demo. That's pretty short demo. Maybe I should do it again. No. I don't really know how I was to end this video.